Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be walking you through how to use Venmo Scheduled Transfers. Now, Venmo Scheduled Transfers feature lets you automate payment for rent, subscriptions, or recurring bills. Now, here's how to set it up in 2025, including the fees, the limits, and troubleshooting tips. The first step you need to take is to enable scheduled transfers. How do you do this? Open up your Venmo, tap on the three lines, which is the menu icon. Tap on Scheduled Transfers. You see it under Payments. The next step you're going to take is tap on Setup. That is set up a scheduled transfer. Then choose the option for to a friend or to a business, depending on who you're scheduling the transfer to. Step 2 is to set up the recurring payment. Here you enter recipient details. For friends, search by username, phone, or email. And for businesses, you can simply enter their Venmo business handle or their QR code. Can scan it. Now, next thing you're going to do is to select the frequency. Is it one time? You put the feature date, or is it weekly or monthly? That is recurring. Next is to choose the amount. So here you enter the fixed payment amount, for example, $500 for rent. Then you confirm payment method. If you are using the Venmo balance payment method, it is free. Linked bank account is also free. Even debit card is free. The only one that attracts a fee is the credit card, and it attracts a 3% fee. That's 3% of the total amount you're sending. Moving on, step 3 is to review it and then schedule it. So you can add a note or a description, for example, June rent, and then tap on Schedule Transfer. Then Venmo will send a confirmation email and notify the recipient. Here are some key features you will see in 2025 updates. 1. It is, like I said, no fees. It is free for bank debit or Venmo balance transfers, including credit card that charges 3% of the amount. Then the second feature is the flexible scheduling. You can edit and cancel anytime before the transfer date. And both parties get reminders before each payment. Now let's go to limitations of this scheduling. The maximum you can schedule is $5,000 per scheduled transfer, and it requires verified account, security number, ID on file. No international transfers, is for US only recipients. Now let's go to troubleshooting. Did your payment fail? Simply check that you have sufficient funds in your Venmo balance or bank account, and make sure the recipient's account is active. If you want to cancel a transfer, go to Schedule Transfers, tap the payment, and then tap on Cancel. It says you cancel it before before the due date. You have to cancel for the due date. Now here are some pro tips. You can use Venmo business profiles for formal recurring payments, for example, freelancer invoices. And for rent payments, landlords can generate a payment link instead. And lastly, if you're looking for alternatives, you can use PayPal or Zelle. It will give you higher transfer limits.